Go.
Hi guys, my name is Jasmine. Today we are not going to unbox one, but two.
All right, you're gonna unbox two.
Bonbon, I think it's called. Wait,
Let's see what it is.
it's called
What you call these dumpling squishies? I never heard of these.
squishy dumpling.
But go ahead, let's just see what's inside.
Okay. Okay, do it like that, and then okay, good.
I want to see what these
Dumplings look like.
dumpling squishies or squishy dumplings.
Squishy dumplings.
And you seen this on YouTube?
Yes.
Have you seen any other kids play with these?
No, because I just see people. Oh, this is so. Yo, this is actually kind of cool.
So what is it?
A dumpling, so cool.
Okay, this is the big hype.
America 250 anniversary 1776 to 2026. I got an eagle.
Wow.
This is what the package look like, and they say different styles, collect them all, and I got this one right there.
Okay, so hopefully it's not the same one then, right? That's an eagle?
Eagle.
Okay, and
And
it comes
also
with...
comes with a toy. Wait. They said there was like wait. I think this is just rare. There's two like mysteries.
Okay, well, let's see what it is.
Show you.
Yeah, open it up.
I'm going to use the scissors.
Oh, kid scissors.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh,
Wow. What is it?
It's kind of like a rare
Some kind
coin.
of coin. Probably made out of 10.
Nice.
Can you open this or no?
Actually, wait, I'm going.
Can you open it? Or is it sealed in there?
I think it's sealed.
Okay. Let me see the thing again.
Test.
So the front is
This is a cool one.
in the back.
I'm going to put it. It's an eagle.
Okay. Let's see the next one. First one's an eagle and you get that coin. I wonder if what happened if you get two eagles? What do you do with this? It's just a
Squish.
okay, and these were $9.99 a pop. Probably get them at a dollar store cheap. Use the scissors.
Okay.
There you go.
Maybe try it this way. That was easy.
Was it easy?
Yeah, I love it.
Wow.
Oh, I got the America.
Wow.
USA.
Was that the one to get?
Well, there was like we're Chester.
Okay, and you get the same exact coin?
Wait.
Was this worth $20 of your birthday money?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, this is actually so cool.
It's going to go right in the attic.
Nope.
So what do you do with them?
Just squish them where it look. This is actually kind of satisfying.
So is this like a ADD, like fidget toy? Like
Well, yeah.
those, what do they call those, spinners? Is it kind of like that?
Well, they're just kind of like collectibles.
Like, collect those?
Yeah.
Just like they collect your money and you collect that.
This is actually kind of cool.
Okay.
I'm going to open this.
Birthday money well spent. It's the same exact coin?
Yeah.
All right.
This is what
You said it has a mystery. What's the mystery then?
ultra rare coin, super rare coin, collect all 50.
Collect all 50. Looks like we got the same one. It's the same exact one. Oh, okay.
This is America.
All right.
And this is the eagle.
Okay.
This is actually so fun to squish.
All right. Wrap it up.
Subscribe, like, share, friend. You don't like, comment below your name. Goodbye.